Welcome to Tablet Guide. Today we're going to be reviewing the XP Pen Artist 12 Pro Line Friends Special Edition graphics tablet. This tablet recently landed on my doorstep for testing, as you can tell by the dent in the box. This is a slightly different pen tablet from XP Pen, as it's branded with the Line Friends bunch of characters. Inside the box are the usual suspects: the pen tablet, the stand, the pen, power bricks and adapters, glove, cleaning cloth, etc. But you also get a selection of gifts including a tote bag, bookmark, stickers, sticky notes and other goodies with the Line Friends branding. This is probably the cutest graphics tablet you'll use. I mean, come on, look at that stand. The stand is plastic, it's not fully adjustable, but does the job of keeping the tablet on your desk. Inside the goodie box you get the quick guide, warranty policy, pen case, USB cables, drawing glove, cleaning cloth, stickers and sticky notes. Inside the plastic tube comes the spare nibs for the pen and the actual pen itself. The handy pen lid also doubles up as a pen holder for your desk. It's a 2-button pen, feels very light but nice to hold. This is a 12-inch pen tablet with 8 shortcut keys down the left side, including the now familiar XP Pen red dial. On the side is the power button, 2 buttons for brightness and the USB-C port. On the back are the rubber feet to attach it to the stand. It feels very light and is fully laminated. As it says in the description there, the pen is battery free, supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and also 60 degrees of tilt. It's a 2-button pen which toggles between pen and eraser mode and also right click. The handy 8 shortcut keys down the left side are by default open tablet settings, Alt key, Space key, Control Z, which is undo, Control plus to zoom in, Control minus to zoom out, B for brush and E for eraser. The red dial in the middle can also be used to scroll in and out of your document as you work. These keys are a great aid in drawing. This 12-inch tablet is a good size to work on and is very portable. It'll easily fit into your laptop bag. The tablet has a nice build quality feel to it, and with the rounded corners looks a really cool piece of kit. This is one of 3 new pen tablets from XP Pen with the Line Friends branding. This tablet is Full HD, 1920 by 1080 pixels, and capable of displaying 16.7 million colours. The tablet can be used with Windows 7 and above and Mac OS X 10 and above, and is compatible with all the usual software: CorelDRAW, Krita, Adobe, Maya, ZBrush, Painter, Clip Studio, Paint, GIMP, Toon Boom, pretty much everyone you could think of. I'm off to get a quick coffee. I'll let you watch a master at work. The driver software is straightforward and simple to use. It's here you can adjust the pen pressure and sensitivity, and also you can change the shortcut keys depending on how you work, and the colour, temperature and other user settings. shortcut keys make it so much easier to scroll up and down and adjust the brush size as you work. All in all, this is another great tablet from XP Pen. Well, that's about it for this review. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget, a bat is for life, not just for Halloween.